Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super satisfying clean with me, so I hope you find lots of inspiration and motivation to clean along with me. Let me know in the comment section below what you were able to accomplish while watching this video. And if you don't accomplish anything, that's totally fine too. My name's Sydney. This is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'm so happy you stopped by, and let's go ahead and get cleaning.
I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul.
When I was editing this video, I found it hard to cut out the scenes of me vacuuming and shampooing the carpet. There is something just so satisfying about vacuum lines and cleaning carpet. I don't know if I'm the only one like that, but I figured someone out there has got to enjoy this, so you've got loads of inspiration for cleaning your space. So I'm starting off with our rug. I'm just going to give it a good vacuum. We do have 3 dogs and a toddler, so there's always going to be things that need to get vacuumed up. And then after that, I am going to go ahead and shampoo this rug really quickly. I did it on the quick express clean, so the rug doesn't actually hold a lot of that liquid, which I found super helpful. It made the drying process so much faster than if I did like the deep clean on the carpet. And then I opened up the windows as well. On this day, it was pretty cold out, so the carpet dried very fast. But I just found this video shot so satisfying to see those vacuum lines, and it's like, oh, it makes me so happy. So I left this all in here because I'm sure it's going to make somebody else happy as well. And then I'm going to finish up cleaning the rug area. Today I was by myself, so I was able to do a deep clean of this living room, and boy, did it need it. I was able to get the windows cleaned and sweeping and mopping, things that the vacuum can't get. We have not a Roomba, but one of those vacuums. I can't think of the word, an electric vacuum. And I have a very love-hate relationship with that thing. If you have a love-hate relationship with your vacuum, let me know that I'm not the only one in the comment section below, but it drives me so crazy. You'll see a little clip here in a little bit of why there are some good days with the vacuum and why there are some bad days with the vacuum. But one of the biggest things is I am a vacuum line type of girl. Like, I love vacuum lines. I love them to be nice and neat. And the Robo Vacuum doesn't do that. And so, while it gets it clean, I don't know, it's probably just, my OCD in me that just wants to see the nice, neat lines, and that just bugs me. But that's first world problems. It's a nice Robo Vacuum. It does its job. It helps me keep up on the vacuum work. And we'll keep it. And I do enjoy not having to vacuum every single day. So I'm just finishing up putting back the coffee table that we got and putting the decor back on the table. It's so weird now that it's not the holiday season that it feels bare, but I know that it's not. It's like that weird month or two limbo before you can decorate for another holiday that I always feel like my space feels so empty because there's not a lot of festive decor around. But I kind of get used to it and then enjoy it, and then it's time to decorate for, Valentine's Day or Easter, whatever it may be, and then we just repeat the cycle. But that is what it is, and I enjoy every part of it. So I am going to just finish this spot up, and then we'll move on to the rest of the living room.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my...
So as I'm finishing up sweeping, I'm going to move to mopping, and I realized that this clip, though very satisfying, I think goes to my old school hot water and pine sol. That's just what I love using on hardwood floors. I know I need to find something that does a little bit more protection to keep our hardwood floors nice, but this girl loves hot water and pine sol. I just feel like that just does a really great job. So I am going to finish up mopping these floors, and then we'll move on into the dining room.
Celestial bodies, oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh.
As I'm finishing up the dining room, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Unroof Furniture. This video isn't sponsored by them. The table wasn't, free or anything like that. But Unroof Furniture is local to Kansas City. It's a family-owned business where they make custom furniture. We are so in love with our kitchen table that it's just a focal point. I like to keep this room pretty minimal because I want the focus to be on this beautiful table. If you guys want more information, I will leave their information in the comment section below, as well as the description box below. So definitely check them out, especially if you're local to Kansas City and you're looking for a custom-made piece of furniture for your home. The stairs look okay, but when you look close, there are fur bunnies in the corner, just, from having dogs. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean those off real quick before I sweep the entryway. As I'm finishing up the entryway, you will see that I am going to use my pine sol in my water on the floors in our entryway, but I do need some advice because our entryway is It's not marble, but it's stone, and I just feel like I need to keep something like a protective barrier on there, and I don't know what that is. So if you have any insight as to what I can put on top, I don't know if I need to wax it, buff it, whatever it may be. I definitely want to preserve this floor and do what I need to do to keep that stone looking nice and polished. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you have any ideas on what I should be using on the floor. If I'm definitely not supposed to be using pine saw, please also let me know, because that's what I have been using, and I definitely don't want to be doing anything that's going to ruin the floors. So moving on into the kitchen, again, another clip that I was just going to cut out, but I figured I'd leave it in because, you know, it's real life. I was jamming out to some oldies on Pandora with my Google Home while I was cleaning, and, you know, sometimes you just got to let loose and dance and sing along with the music. So I figured I'd leave this clip in because if we don't all do this, then I'm the weird one. But I'm sure all of us have danced in the kitchen or, you know, dance like no one's watching and sing along to your songs. It just makes the process go by a little faster, and, you know, making sure that you're enjoying yourself while cleaning along.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back. You just come running back. You just come running back.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. I'll go through fire, I'll climb the mountains for you. Tell me, 'cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on, no, 'cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
So as I'm finishing cleaning the floors, I wanted to thank you guys all for joining the farmhouse family. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button down below, make sure you do. I will be posting videos every Wednesday and Sunday in regards to cleaning, decorating, inspiration, and motivation. If you're new here, my name is Sydney. I'm so happy you stopped by my channel. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.
We're gonna find them. La 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 la. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. 'Cause you're not